I have the loudest sneeze ever. See if they'll happen. I hate this. When you're about to sneeze, it's like, it's not gonna happen, dude. Try another time. Try another time. You're not gonna sneeze. Hang on, let me see if I can get it. Ugh. I swear I hate blowing my nose sometimes. It's a pain in the ass. So how is everybody's Halloween? It's freaking raining here. I mean, got out of work at 3:30. Been at work since 7. It kind of sucked, but hey, uh, look at that guy. Look at that. I know my bed's kind of messy. I gotta clean. It's clean clothes. I don't know. I just like throw clothes in bed. I just sleep right there on the floor there by the door. So, or I'll sleep in this chair. So, but Halloween is good. I pre-ordered Ghost. Uh, I wasn't gonna get Ghost, but the Extinction mode got me to go pre-order it. I looked at Ali A. I'll link you to a couple of his videos on the Extinction mode for COD Ghost. It looks pretty badass. The first video is he's breaking down the trailer, and the second video is what's in there. Man, my nose is just fucked up today. It's probably because it's warm outside and it's cold at night. So yeah, bear with me. Uh, so this is Eric, just to let y'all know. Um, I got a V. I got a V. But yeah. So my Halloween is gonna consist of gaming, which is awesome. We're gonna play through the rest of Dead Nation. We got through the first part. The first part was 2 videos because we kept dying. There was a lot of zombies. And part 2, we got through the next checkpoint and then stopped it there because I was playing late at night and I had to be to work at 7. So I had to change that. Up, the freaking facial hair is growing back right here and shit. Ever since I having this, it hasn't really been growing down here, which is awesome. Because I don't like that shit at all. Uh, yeah. Allergies suck too. Allergic to pet. It's probably what it is. I'm allergic to pet hair. Give me a moment. Oh shit, that's wet. Ew, that was wet. One of these days, I'm going to get myself sneezing on cam. And it's going to be loud. It's going to be like, achoo! I thought I was going to sneeze. I wanted to sneeze, but it didn't happen. But I just wanted to come on here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video that I posted earlier today around 6:55. I did it that night, Wednesday night into Thursday, which is good. Um, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Well, technically, I did it during the day Wednesday and then posted it Thursday morning. That's why there was a phone call, because no one really calls me or calls the house at night. Um, but yeah, it kind of sucks. The last 3 years of Halloween, we had rain out here in Michigan, and I think one year we had snow for Halloween, which kind of sucks for going out. So, you guys going out tonight, be careful. A lot of crazy ass people that drive. Watch for those guys as well. So, oh, hey, check this out. See if I can make it. I got a backwards mohawk. See that? See how it's kind of going? You know how a mohawk goes, you know how in the back it's got it. So this is a backwards mohawk. My receding hairline backed up as far as it could go. Bringing this forward. Got a backwards mohawk, baby. That's the backwards mohawk. Pretty soon I'll lose all this hair. Lose all this hair. I'll have my own mohawk. But yeah, I wish I can't wait for this guy to connect down below with this beard. This beard here would look more badass once I get that going. As well, uh, my computer. I need a new computer, guys. My keypad or my my keyboard quit on my laptop, so I got to use the on-screen keyboard. So I think I'm due for a new laptop. I think Black Friday, that's what we'll do, get a new laptop. I'm not sure what yet. But if you guys are going to have Halloween parties and drink, make sure you call someone to pick you up if you're going to don't drink and drive. This video is going out because of all that crap. Also, next Thursday, I don't know what to rage about. What do you guys... I mean... let's see, where the hell's my book? My book! Where the hell is my book? Oh, it's gotta be up here. I threw it up here last night. Is it up here? Come on. Shit. I need that. Oh, pfft. It's all by me. I'm a dumbass. Alright. Let's see here. Well, we don't need the lightning staff upgrade. That's the very first page of this book. And yeah, we're gonna redo the struggle words with friends. I'm not gonna do it on this video. I'll do it probably either. I'll post it up either Friday or Saturday because we got copyright notice on our last struggle with words. I got more. I got to come up with at least 6 more words for it to be a video. But also, I will not be posting that one video that I wanted to do for a while. Is that where's it at? Fuck, I can't find it. I can't find it 'cause I'm so blind. Why? I seem can't find it right now, but it was those drawings that I drew as a kid, and I can't find them. I looked in the closet the other day. I found that guy there. It's a deck I have never used. I used to skateboard, yes. Biking as well. So I don't know. I'm thinking about bringing the biking back. So this summer, look for that stuff. I'll be jumping ramps. I got. My brother can. What I could do. I got a trick that I've learned. I don't know if I could do it anymore, but I use pegs on my bike, and I can stand up and go no-handed on my pegs. All it is, my knees are holding me up with the seat, and I can go like that. It's cool. I want to get that out there for you guys. I think you guys will enjoy that. You guys really enjoyed my duck walk. It's almost got 100 views. Um, Sorry I haven't done the Crash Bandicoot dance. I just been running out of time to do it. Um, I guess what I could do is I could do it in the house, and I do have Crash 3 as my game. What I could do is I could play the music through that, and then I can dance for you guys that way, right here in this house. So I might do that in the next month, even though it's tomorrow next month. God, my nose is just killing me right now. But yeah, I love YouTube. I got, let's see, I want to see how many views I have. Where's my, there's my mouse pad. Let's see here. How many views do we got on this bad boy? Excuse me, YouTube. We have 2,219 views. That's all the videos together. That's decent. I'm surprised we got that many views. But I'm glad. And then my computer's like pew, 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 pew. So yeah, it's time for a new computer. So 17 subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. That'd be awesome if you do. Share my videos. If you're new to this channel and if you are confused, Thunderstruck and Eric are two different people. Eric does vlogs and other gameplay videos. Thunder does strictly zombies, and now aliens coming with COD Ghost. I'm not sure how we're gonna do that. Hoping we can develop challenges and stuff like that, so that'll be interesting. Um, I'm just looking forward to how this gameplay is gonna do. What we're gonna do, what he's gonna do is when it first comes out, we're gonna play through it first and see what our thoughts on it as well. I know a lot of people are kind of probably gonna be viewing all that shit, but who cares? YouTube is YouTube, and we're gonna do that and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. I'm hoping I'm off Tuesday. I pre-ordered it off Amazon. It says I should get it the day it comes out. If not, it'll be out the day after, hopefully. So that'll be good as well. And I can do that with my eyebrows. Too bad I couldn't do the rocks thingy, huh? So yeah. Also, Thunder wants to get a Raging in COD 2. Haven't had that out. The only reason the Halloween says number one because the next Halloween we're gonna continue with it. We probably won't do jokes. Probably rage some more because there's a lot more stuff we can rage about in Halloween. I forgot. I didn't realize there was a lot more shit to rage about in that. We can also rage about some stuff in Thanksgiving of what could go, went wrong and all that. Man, dude. One second. This video is just about done. I just got to get this nose kind of cleared up because my voice is just... I'm breathing it out of my mouth and it's being a pain in the ass and it's making my voice sound weird. So give me 1 second. For other news, you can watch my light. Goddamn nose. I just wanna cut you off. Hey, where's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Come cut my nose off, please. Shouldn't be doing this during the damn video, I swear to God. Damn, I sound like a damn elephant trying to get a mating call going on here. Ugh. Alright, well that will wrap up the video. If you got any questions, my Twitter, my Facebook, and my email will be in the description. If we can at least get 100 subscribers, I'll start doing Q&A. Or whenever you guys decide to go answer questions, like about any topic, go ahead and shoot me a link, a email, a Facebook message, a tweet on my Twitter, whatever folks about. I don't care. I think we're gonna go play some Dead Nation now. So, stay tuned for my next video. I just want to come on and see how everybody was doing. And this is Eric, and peace out. Till next time. Let's go! It's me, the Mario! Let's go! See you later. And make sure to be safe. If you're not safe, I'm gonna hunt you down like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Hey, I should talk like this all the time. What do you guys think? No, I'm just kidding. I won't talk like that. Well, this is Eric, and peace out till next time.